High-ticket affiliate marketing, does it work? The answer is yes. This is how much my mentor made in the month of November 2022. A business model designed on copy and paste, as in high-ticket affiliate marketing. They provide you everything so you do not need to get started to reinvent the wheel. He followed the steps and he provided these steps to his mentees like me. In this video, I talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing and how it works. You'll learn the methods used to the 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗨 my mentor made last month, the methods he's given to me and access the exact same opportunity. If you don't know me, my name is 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗨 with 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗅 LLC and on a mission to help provide solutions to people with problems and making solutions online and create the life they've always dreamed of with passive income. The purpose of my YouTube channel, High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, is to have action takers have the advantage of getting in the online community and setting up something called the Eco-Affiliate Stack. So if that's something you're interested in, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like the channel, be notified when notifications of videos come out. I'm going to try to do at least one a day. So let's get right into it. Now, statistics have shown in high ticket affiliate marketing, a buyer must watch content for about 6 to 7 hours. And being a mortgage broker, that kind of makes sense because before someone makes a buying decision, they want to see what they're getting into. So YouTube is the source that I'm using for my content, so that way it's not going anywhere. It's linked to Google and it's been a proven system that is already working. In your own creative way, that's what affiliate marketing is. It provides you with a different way to be able to get things done. So step one, with having a proven system and mentorship, you eliminate all excuses. There's no boss to yell at you. There's no one watching to make sure you keep to your schedule. You're competing against you and how high you want to climb. Against you and time. That's it. The key is to take the imperfect action every day and to have 1% done every day. So like you do with any mentor, that'll give you the confidence to make that next step. Number two, the concept is simple. Provide a solution to people that are having a problem, something that you believe in, and receive a commission from that. The product has already been developed and proven. So you just have to get the products that are similar to those people. As beginners in the high ticket affiliate marketing space, it seems hard and so it's kind of too good to be true, but it's really not. It's really that simple. Now, the solution when you share your product or service with them, your goal is to lead them down a path so the chances of them purchasing from you in the future increases. That trust is what you want to provide to drive traffic for your customers and your clients. So that's where social media comes in. That's when you might create a Facebook reel or a TikTok, as a goal is to have traffic drive to your content. That might be your YouTube channel that you create where you can put your links in the bios and have different opportunities that people can in that area or field are looking for. And the important thing is to have a call of action. So in building your eco-affiliate stacking system, you want to have a sales page. One mistake of a lot of beginners in high ticket affiliate marketing space is having that bio or link in their bio, having that link posted in social media. That is a social media no-no. You can get banned from social media and that is truly a headache. So that's something you don't want to deal with. There's ways around it, yes, but time, right? Remember we talked about that. They shut your account down and then what happens? So in high ticket affiliate marketing, it works, okay? So doing things as soon as possible that you just didn't know what you didn't know. The great thing is to have a mentor to be able to help you when you need to go a different way. So you get an offer, and that's when you actually have ClickFunnels come into play to build your eco-affiliate system. Now, what a funnel is, it allows a client to get exposure to whatever product that you're actually promoting. So in the eco-affiliate system, leading people to different offers, you're building that trust factor, and over time and consistency, that's when the purchases and everything start to fall into play. Products that you encounter in your online journey provide with others, and that's how things work. So for example, the Direct.me app, found out about that app earlier this week, heard of it before, but it is the best thing since sliced bread. Now, I know like I said, I have 6 businesses, and a business hack I want to provide is solutions where you have everything all in one place. I'm looking for 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗅 LLC to be the Amazon of the future for any type of information on how action takers can take advantage of the online space. So literally 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗥 being able to provide all your links in one place in that review, and check out that review that I did actually yesterday in regards to 𝗣𝗢𝗣𝗥. Amazing opportunity, everything in one place. If you're a mortgage broker or anybody, I'm going to continue to do content, and make sure you subscribe and follow me to make sure you get content on how you can use the different business hacks I provide. So the plan that you have with your mentor determines your future. And are you worthy of change and the opportunity that kind of holds you accountable? So let's talk about my mentor, Daniel, for a moment. A few months ago when we connected, he's showing me what is possible. We collaborated, and he collaborated previously with Nathan Boker with a program called Legendary Marketers. Now, they were on the top of the leaderboards. They became brothers in business and created Wealth Warriors. Now, Wealth Warriors is the foundation that is literally partnered, not really partnered, but built with Zach Crawford's program, Millionaire Challenge System. And so Zach is the type of mentor that encourages other entrepreneurs and mentors in the same space to go out after and go what you can actually accomplish. So they created the Wealth Warriors Elite Empire Income by just starting with the training of Zach Crawford with the Millionaire Challenge System. And that's what Daniel started me in. And that focuses on mindset and leveraging your abilities to the next step. And that's how the Elite Empire coaching has actually come apart. So they ensure you have questions to your answers. And a straight line leadership is something that is encouraged with Daniel and being a part of his actual mentee. So he actually connected with me a few weeks ago and suggested Freedom Breakthrough, and said it was a step-by-step, click-by-click process that may take me to the level based on my learning style on where I'm trying to go for my why. And, Daniel is the reason I trust. He got me into MCS because, again, he heard my complaints, and I trusted him in regards to leading me into the direction to the next step. So if you want to call me shiny, call me what you are, but Freedom Breakthrough is what the step-by-step program that Daniel insisted that is helping me elevate to the next level, as you can see with these numbers here. So again, Wealth Warriors Elite Empire Coaching System has now a program and a model that has been proven. Again, my mentor made $90,000. Nathan made $30,000 last month. So a proven step-by-step system that people can actually follow to be able to reach their high-ticket affiliate marketing goals. The beautiful thing I love about their whole setup, it doesn't matter what program you're in. It doesn't matter if you're a part of Ambassador or a part of Commission Hero. It doesn't matter if you had a bad situation in Profit Singularity, or if you're still a Legendary Marketer and just want to take it to the next level. They provide the step-by-steps to help you understand the online space and encourage people to actually do things for themselves and collaborate and become a Wealth Warriors nation like they are. They have a Facebook coach, a TikTok coach. They're making sure that the pieces are in place for any action takers or entrepreneurs or anyone can actually do it at any age. Thank you for the opportunity to actually connect with you. Hopefully you were able to have an idea now what affiliate marketing is. I'm going to consistently do these videos to provide value, and follow me in my journey, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.